World South Championship 2019. It was not necessary to close this like this. It's difficult to open. More to organize is Doha.
It's really our honor and privilege to have the confidence and the trust from the IAAF to be the organizer of the 2019 World Championship in Doha. And it's for Doha and for the region. And we are very delighted that this will be going for the first time to the region. So we know for sure our sport, athletic, the mother for sport, is globalizing.
I am convinced they are committed for sport, for developing their country and their community, and they are doing right things. And I think it will continue on that way. Starting tomorrow, they will start fighting to have, in 2019, wonderful world championships.